Hi guys, yan. We're here at Baguio City at Mines View Park. Ayan, there's a lot of people here na. Ayan, Mines View Park. Ayan, dami ang tao dito. Daming tao. Ayan, nagtitinda ng taho. Taho, strawberry taho. Strawberry taho. Ayan, meron na siyang entrance fee. 5 pesos sa kids, 10 pesos sa adult. Ayan, ang dami mga ano. Ayan, mga pasalubong dito sa Mines View Park. At sa pasalubong, medyo malamig-lamig dito. Ayan, maganda ang klima today. Ayan, dami oh. Strawberry! Oh, ano po si ayan mo. 100 daw 12 kitchen for 100. Ayan sila. Ayan, going down.
Ito lang pala yun.
With the Baguio.
Mami, yung buong street ko na
Ito.
ano, Baguio.
Oo, daming flowers na dito. Tsaka mga
Wow.
bulaklak.
Yeah.
Ayan, you can buy some flowers here. Yahoo! O, diba? Ayan, meron mga
Toys here. Money maker.
Money maker?
What?
yeah. Meron din money tree and
Juniper
juniper.
bonsai. Blue pine bonsai.
Money.
Catnip.
Wow.
Ano siya catnip?
Oh, plants. There's a lot of plants here. Oh.
Oh my god. Nature.
Yan, no, cactus. Ang laki-laki.
Over the top.
Over there.
Mag-ano na lang, meet up na lang ulit sa NLEX.
That.
Ayan.
Ganun nga.
Ready niyan. Dugong cactus. Kita mo? Oo.
I can actually.
Yeah. There's a lot of plants here. You can see here in Mines View Park at Baguio City.
Fiddle bee.
Wow. Lord, yung Italian pine tree.
Dancing lady.
Yun.
Dancing.
Wow.
You know.
The lady.
Why is that so fuzzy?
Okay.
Zebra.
Lines po, everlasting.
Pine
Po
tree.
kayo.
Cactus.
Bili kayo,
Rosemary.
Did you know
bonsai.
if you like make rosemary water and like
Yan na. The dog. You.
Oh, next. Sino pa dyan sa big dog?
Next.
Tatawin
There's
group,
the 2 dogs over there. I have to take a picture. So.
what the holy cheese?
Gumamela, roses. There's a lot of cactus. Oh, diba?
Korean.
The 2 dogs are there. She wants to take a picture of Igor. Ayan, you have to rent costumes here. Okay. Ayan, picture.
Ano yung mga tawag sa
The Igorot costumes. If you want to take a picture with the horsey, there you go. Ayan.
Ay, ito nila. Kami ni Ana ako kahit naman ang hairstyle. Kurang kayo, sir.
Here's the view deck, guys.
Lalim.
Maganda doon dito. Tara. Dito.